In this video, we're going to walk through a project that's about halfway through the rehab process. Let's take a look. At this stage of the game, you'll notice all the drywall repair has been completed. Walls have been painted, ceiling's done. Now we're painting the trim and the doors in preparations for the flooring guys to come in next week and start putting down carpet and the hard floors upstairs. The electricians will come in over the weekend, hang light fixtures, change all the plugs and switches, fix a couple things on the back of the house, and we'll be bringing it to the finish line after that. You see the finished product of these handrails when we're done. It always blows me away how changing the color makes the house look twice the size. But again, no matter what the price points are, no matter what the shape and size of the house is, our process stays the same. It does not change. I hope you like this project. Follow us for more.